Hi Cancerian, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of September is going to be for you, and this month I've made some changes. So with regard, not only we'll discuss your health, wealth, relationship, your spirituality or your soul purpose or your mental health, emotions, love, but we'll also discuss that if at all you follow these things, the mental exercises that I'm going to tell you in this reading, and if you follow the chakra balancing that I'm going to tell you in this reading, what will be the changes that will come into your life. So we are going to discuss that towards the end of the reading. So to begin with, this month is the month of manifestations for you. This is the month where messages will come to you, and this is the month where you'll start seeing the things happen. So you'll start seeing the ships coming basically. So you will start seeing the things that you wanted to manifest in your life, that you've been thinking, the messages that you've been waiting to hear from other people. Those messages will start coming in, those things will start coming in. There is a travel that I also can see in your cards. So overall your cards definitely say that this is the month where your vision or the messages that come to you are going to make you do several things along with travel, along with movement. But with all of that, one thing that I can see on your cards is that at times when things start happening, when we want something to happen and that thing starts happening, we start feeling more confused. We start feeling, do I know where I'm going? We start feeling that, is this the vision that I can actually follow? And that's the kind of confusion I see on your cards. But the cards are saying that if you be in your power, if you have faith in your vision, if you follow your vision, and if you know that the things that are happening right now are happening to manifest what you wanted to manifest, and you always have path forward, you always have options to choose from, then there will be no stopping. There will be nothing that could stop you. Let's just begin with relationships. For relationships, I think this is the month where if you are into a relationship already, you can take that relationship to the next level. So you can announce your wedding, or the wedding can happen this month, either of the two. If you are looking forward to have somebody in your life, if you're looking forward to have a relationship, have a partner in your life, and no matter what age you are at, it doesn't matter if you're young or if you're a little old, the right people will actually come into your life. So you'll have a partner, you'll have somebody who you will meet, and this could be through either some online thing, or this could be through your work or your area where you actually least expected it from. So or somewhere where you're blogging, or somewhere where you're putting your views. So it can be like somewhere from that, and you'll find somebody. If you're looking forward for somebody who is attractive, who is always ready for adventure, who's always ready to move forward, do things, practice things, and has the zeal of life, you'll have the person like that. If you're looking forward for somebody who's settled in life, who's nurturing, who can help you nurture, who can help you settle, you'll find the person like that. So overall, for your love, for finding somebody in your life, the cards are very, very positive, and you'll for sure have somebody in your life this month. If you're already in a relationship and relationship is not working fine, there were some hurdles, there were some things that were not working, you were not able to manage that relationship, whether it is a marriage, whether it is just a relationship, the things are going to settle down, the communications are going to happen, and those communications are going to bring things towards a better stand. And if that is happening, ensure that you're working towards managing those things, you're working towards settling down those things, and you have clarity of thought. So you know what you're communicating, and you listen to whatever is coming to you, the communication that is coming to you, realize where it is leading you, where that vision can be, where this communication is leading you, and then you take a step. That is going to be really, really helpful for you this month. If we talk about baby, planning a baby or having a baby, this month is the month of celebration. So I definitely along with the wedding, I definitely can see for some of you who are planning for a baby, having a baby or a baby shower, or people who are trying for pregnancy, having the pregnancy, the news of pregnancy might just come out. So that way it's a good month for conception or having a baby, or if you have a baby, it's a good month to, you know, to the growth of baby. There will not be many things that you should be worried about this month. If we talk about your job or work perspective, this month looks like the vision that you had, no matter with regards to business or with regards to your job or with regards to your studies or with regards to going forward in your life, that vision, the messages regarding that clarity of vision are going to come to you. If you wanted to move to some other place, if you wanted to shift, if you wanted to take up a further study, if you wanted to take up your passion, if you wanted to take up or you were waiting for a promotion or a money increase in your job, or if you're waiting for a job to happen, a positive message is going to come towards you, and that positive message you'll be able to see very clearly. Probably in the beginning of the month, you'll be in the first week of the month, you'll be able to see that positive message coming towards you, and with that positive message the changes will start happening, and those changes are going to be very, very fast. And that is why it is advisable that if there are changes that are happening very fast, don't confuse yourself, have your vision clear and know that you can be in your power and these things are working for your advantage, for your benefit. That is going to be very important this month. If at all with your work there is a growth and you need to shift, there is a transfer or something that happens, I would suggest you not to take your family along. If you can leave them for a while, and then once you're settled, then take them along, because I kind of see that when you shift or when you move, there could be some things because of which you might just feel a little confused, you might just feel a little stuck, and if the family is there, then the responsibility increases and you might just feel further stuck. But if you take time to settle down yourself and then take the family, there shouldn't be a problem. If at all you cannot leave your family or you have to take them along, then ensure that you take all the precautions, because with Six of Swords and travel card, I would say that travel is something where you'll have to ensure that you take all the precautions, and that's probably because of COVID situation. Though in September my reading said earlier, I have a reading posted on COVID, 2 videos, I think 2 videos, so rather 3 videos. So with that I can see September is going to be a better month for us, but precautions are going to continue for the whole year, and that's why you have to take care of yourself and your family if you're traveling with your family. If we talk about your business, I think you will get investors, you will get people who will invest into your business, you will get right kind of partnership, and your business is going to flourish. But ensure that you have your vision clear, ensure that you don't confuse yourself, ensure that if things are happening, you let them happen. You don't think that, oh, I'm not sure if I can move to that path, and then you stop moving towards that path. Another thing, if you want to sign any contract or something, just be very clear that read it with open eyes, read it with open mind, and then move forward to it. That's going to be one thing very important. If you wanted to buy a house or something, this month is a good month. You can actually get the money and then you can actually put the money there. So that's kind of the thing that I can see this month for you happening. But when you do that, ensure that you have enough saved for yourself, and ensure that you're putting money somewhere where you see it growing, and for in the beginning, if for say 2 weeks or a week you don't see it growing, don't get disheartened. It will grow and it will happen. With regards to your health, I don't see many health issues coming up this month, other than I would say that you need to take care of your vision, your eyes, your head. So ensure that there are no headaches that you have, or there are no vision issues that you have. And if at all you have that, third eye meditation is going to help you immensely, because that's the meditation that I see on your cards, and that's the problem that I see on your cards. So with these two, feeling blindfolded, feeling some issue with your eyes or some issue with your head is possible. And if you have your vision clear, if you have your thoughts clear, if you're not thinking too much, if you're not overloading yourself with thoughts, if you're not thinking that the things that happened with me were not just, I deserved more, or how things are working out are not how I thought they would be, then there might be some health issue there, mental health especially, and then that will travel to physical. But if you keep yourself balanced, if you continue meditating, if you continue to have faith, and you don't take burden of things and let things actually happen, then you will not face any health issue, because health wise your cards are pretty fine this month. With regards to your soul journey, this is the month where you can actually connect with the divine. This is the month where you'll actually be able to feel your power, and that will happen, or that connect will only happen if you actually keep yourself balanced, if you keep your vision clear. And with that, you remember when we had old times when we used to have those TVs with antenna, and we had to adjust the antenna to get the signal. So that's the kind of thing that you have to adjust your antenna to get the signal, which means you have to adjust your vision to get connected with your soul and get connected with your guides. And that will happen if you have the correct vision, if you have faith in yourself, if you see the things happening, and if you see that the guidance is coming towards you. The moment you see that, you will start seeing that happening as well for you. Meditation at night can be more beneficial for you. So if you can meditate at night before going to sleep, I will share some videos on meditations before going to sleep. If you can kind of practice that, that is going to be even more beneficial for you. From money perspective, I don't think there is anything to be worried. With the Queen of the Pentacle and King of the Pentacle, money will flow into your life, and you don't have to be worried. You'll see it coming. Keep your vision clear and have focus on your vision, have focus on what you wanted, and know that it is happening. It is happening. In the beginning, if you feel that things are not moving how you wanted, or the way the things are happening, you're not able to get control, or you're not able to manage the pace of it, don't get disheartened, don't stop yourself, let things happen. You will be able to manage the pace of it. You don't have to be worried at all. The number of the month for you is going to be number 4, and color of the month, any shade of blue is going to be good for you. For your mental exercise of the month, this month your mental exercise will be 1. Let go of all the comparisons. Do not compare yourself with others. Do not compare what you've got. Do not compare what you have. Count your blessings and know that you are different than others and will be treated differently than others, and you have your own vision. You'll be able to make things happen for yourself, so you don't have to compare yourself with others. Second, don't carry the burden. Don't carry the burden. If there is anything that you don't want to carry with you, if there are past memories, if there are things that have happened in your life, if there are emotions that were there in your life, if there were past relationships that burdened you, or if there is a relationship that is burdening you right now, or also if you feel like you need to move away from the family or be away from the family for a while, do that. Don't kind of carry the burden with you. That is going to be very important for you. And for your mental exercise, for the affirmation of the month, what you can do is you can actually practice that I let go of all the burdens from my life. I let go of the need to have comparison in my life, and I know I'm unique. I know I'm different. I know I'm always taken care of. I know I'm free, and I can move forward and achieve everything in my life. So ensure that you do that affirmation. That is going to help you big way. For your chakra of the month, your chakra of the month is going to be third eye chakra this month. Third eye chakra is located here. The mantra is Om. Ensure that you do Om chanting this month, and ensure that you have your vision clear this month. Like I said, these are the only things. This will help you with your headaches. This will help you with your eyesight problem. This will help you having that vision, that you'll be able to see the messages, why they are coming, what they are leading you towards, and you'll be able to achieve that vision of yours. So with this, I think if you follow these guidances, if you practice the meditation, what I can see is happening, a sun break I see happening, and that sun break will actually ensure that all the clouds are gone, ensure that you realize your power. It will help you move forward, and it will help you be in that power and authority and have the clarity of what you want in your life and how you would achieve that. So that clarity will come your way only, and that power will come your way only if you practice these things, if you don't burden yourself, if you don't compare yourself, if you see where you're moving, if you see the messages clearly, and if you keep a clear vision in your head of what you want to follow. If you like this video, please press the like button. It will help the video to be searchable. More people can reach to that video. Please share this video with everyone that you can. It can help them as well. Subscribe the channel, and if you want your personalized tarot reading to be done, you can message me through the comments, or you can message me through the Facebook link provided in the description box. You just have to message me that you want your personalized reading, and then I will share my number and we can take that forward from there. Also, there are a lot of videos on my channel about how you can bring positivity in your life, how you can practice self-love, how you can let go of these burdens that you have in your life. So please, whenever you get time, visit the channel, watch the videos, and if you find anything helpful, watch it yourself and forward it to your friends as well. And I will see you with next month predictions. Till then, please take care of yourself, follow the social distancing, and know that when the antenna is right, when the connection is right, everything flows into your life. So have that vision, have that clarity of vision. If you think that there is anything that I'm missing in these videos, and there is something more that you would want to know about the generic reading, you can send me your feedback, or you can tell me what is it that you would want me to add to these videos, and I will do that. And take care of yourself, follow social distancing. I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.